Guys, today meet me like this. Today meet me like this. Let's go. These Oriental brothers, Oriental brothers.
Ababu simu kumane eguma kamu jagamba. Doko wo doko shele agaga.
Yeah. These are old songs. What we say we're supposed to. Yeah. The see beat, only days beat oh.
Ababu simu kumane eguma kamu jagamba. Doko wo doko shele agaga.
Today meet me like this, go just vibe like this. Buy your small shares to do well, you understand? That small comment you give me now for this, you just comment down. If you good though, because these songs don't play, we're supposed to vibe on these songs, but we don't let them go. How? We don't let them go. How? They hear beat.
Kamu bianu le mamu o, eze bianu le mamu, eze bianu kulumu o. My brother bia kulumu o. Oye la de go jogeri opo wele. Oye la de go jogeri opo wele. Oye la de go jogeri opo wele. Doko chilele agaga no.
Nania, they hear am. See song. I want to let all these things die go. How now? It's supposed to people to revive am. Why? You are not doing copyright though. There are these videos today. Why use the song? You understand?
Oye la go jogeri opo wele. Oye la de go jogeri opo wele. Oye la di lego wele lori opo ere odo ko chilele agaga no.
Sadi Ajuna, the question.
Ababu simu kumane guma listen. Ewu kamu jagamba. Doko wo doko shele agaga.
They hand out at those days. They hand out that this is what these guys have been doing. In olden days, they don't do all these kind of songs. What do they hear?